What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost, Off Track TV, back again for another video. Today we're going to I'm fucking around. Today we're going back to Colchester, Kawasaki, but this time I'm with two friends on big bikes, so no slowing down, no waiting 20 miles an hour, none of that foolishness. Now we're just waiting for one of them, and then we're going to go up to the second spot to meet JJ, and then we'll roll out. So you know what, let's do a quick little hot start, because I've rid her here. She's pretty warm already. See what she sounds like. Still dealing with them battery issues. They're not that bad now. I just need the battery to charge. That's why it sounds weird like that, but she sounds good. I like this exhaust, you know. This exhaust is actually fire, bro. It's actually fire. I like it. I've been telling you this already. It's beautiful. The crackles, the pops, the bangs, amazing. But we're gonna wait now and get back on the road in a moment. Long. And we're finally on the road. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 2 o'clock now. When I was with you before, it was 11 in the morning. Little miss over here. No, straight. Little miss over here. She had to change her tyre and her back brake, so that delayed us a little bit. But it's all good. We'll roast her later, don't worry. We'll make sure of it. But today we're on our way to Colchester, Kawasaki. But even before that, I just want to say, you guys absolutely hit up the first video of me and Kia riding. First, it was our fastest video to 100 views. Then it was our fastest video to 1,000 views, and then it was our fastest video to 2,000 views, and now it sits on 2,000 or 2.1 thousand views. You lot killed it. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. So we're just on our way to Colchester, Kawasaki again. Thought, why not? The day is nice. Go check out some bikes. Great day for it. Hopefully. Remember last time I didn't get to see the H2, but hopefully this time there will be H2 glory. I'm hoping. I'm praying. Pray for me, guys. I really want to see and sit on the H2. I don't know if I'll be able to sit on it, but at least I'll be able to see it. I might cut it here. This will be a lot shorter than the first time I went to Colchester, Kawasaki. It won't be a feature-length video like that time. Oh yeah, I didn't introduce the people I'm with today. Today I'm with my friend Salma, with my boy JJ. We're hoping to run something up, have a little bit of fun. Already we thought police were chasing her, because she took off at a traffic light, but they went right past her, thankfully. Oh, I wish I got that on camera, that was crazy. So it's been a action-packed day already, while the camera weren't even rolling. I hope it's not too windy in here, because I'm hearing so much wind. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I need a new helmet, man. I need a new helmet so bad. Recorded, bro. Recorded it. I know you guys don't see me speed very often. Not like this anyway. Roads aren't really for it. These aren't the perfect roads. Sometimes they're a bit bumpy. Most of the time there's a whole bunch of traffic, and we don't do cutting up too much around here. I ain't trying to die, innit? My skill set ain't that. I'm a good rider, but I ain't that. You know what I'm saying? I think I lost it. Tell me about the acoustics. That's what we like. Woo! Oh shit, that's the fastest I've ever been. Okay, let's calm it down, my boy. Let's calm it down, son. No, I'm not ready to push up to the limit like that, bro. I just come from the 125 5 minutes ago. Hey, let me chill a little bit. Oh shit. Oh, with the top down. He's enjoying it. This is the bad one. Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Oh my god, she did it! Oh my god! by the way, we don't know where JJ is. We lost him along the way somewhere. But yeah, we lost JJ along the way somewhere. We'll be back up with him somewhere, probably at Colchester. This is what we came for. Well, kind of. This is a H2 SX, because apparently they don't sell the H2s anymore, which is kind of sad. But I came to sit on one of these, and I'm gonna fucking sit. How do I look?
You look nice. Yeah, the bike is just. I mean, the car is huge.
I thought I did it 6 hours big. This feels massive.
Yeah, this is actually huge. You can't feel all, now you can't tell me, oh yeah, I can feel all of it. Because this is like...
I wouldn't even try on this. This is massive, man. One day you can fully come to the I'm going to tell you I told you so. I'm going to tell you I told you so. This is a bike I can actually get my... Never mind. This is a bike I can actually get my leg over. There we go. Now this feels a lot taller than my bike. Immediately I could tell. The pegs are a lot bigger. This is insane. This got a steering dampener. I need one of these so bad. And cruise control. The biggest thing I need is cruise control, man. Your hand just being there like that with all the vibrations is mad. But it's not that bad. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Wow. The only thing I'm not partial to is the screen. You know me, I like a analog tacho and a digital speedo. That's my thing. It'll always be my thing. But this is definitely taller than my bike. If I had this, I'd probably have to lower it. I'll be real with you. This is crazy, man. One day the garage will have one of these in it too.
What's up, guys? Here we go. I just saw my bike upgraded. It's all carbon fibre.
Nah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Look at it, man. Someone put a lot of love into this bike. They replaced all of these bolts with green ones. Got all the carbon fibre here. And what is called the M-bar ends. The M4 exhaust. I think this is a custom seat as well. Really nice. Really, really nice. Obviously I'm not an all carbon fibre guy, but this is beautiful. Obviously I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend. What are you telling me? Here with checking out the Vespers for my man.
I don't want to see your face, show me the Vespa.
Say no more, say no more. What you said? We were looking at a Daytona 600 earlier and this guy was like, is that a Vespa behind there? I don't know how he saw it. This guy's more interested in these fake bikes than a real man's bike. Embarrassing. Embarrassing.
Only real men will ride a Vespa, you know what I mean?
Nah, mate, we don't do that around here, big man. Interested in these. Interested in these, big man. Yeah?
That's how you ride the Vespa, yeah.
Is that how you ride a Vespa, yeah? Like a squid. Like a squid. That's disgusting, bro. He's hairy as well, fam. Look, come on, bro. Oh, shut your mouth. This guy, you think because you wear a nice little jacket on your Vespa, you're the guy. Don't do that. Don't do that. You can go 50 miles an hour tops. Come on, big man. Get a real bike. Ditch that thing that you have and get. You don't even like it anymore. This guy messages me all the time telling me, I'm tired of this bike. I don't want to ride it anymore. I don't want to make no videos of it. Look at him. He knows as well. Look at him laughing. Yeah, caught you out, didn't I? Caught you up.
I'll never admit to that.
Anyway, tell the people some last words, man, before I turn this thing off.
One more video coming from me on the Vespa, and then it's game.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
I don't know why. I don't know why. Expect one more, and then it's done, and then game over. But I'm gonna be back soon. Till then, you can deal with this Ninja Turtle and Frogman. Peace.
Alright, bro. It's always a pleasure talking to you, my guy.
Alright, bless.
In a bit, love. I literally just missed it. There was an accident right there. I don't know if you can see it. There was an accident right there. I think they hurt his arm pretty badly. Someone pulled out on him, typical case. But we stopped to see if everything was okay, and ambulance and that was called. And it was. So we're on our way, nothing for us to do here. I'm glad he's okay though. Well, he's alive. He's alive, he's breathing, he's making noises. There's a guy from the fire department there, and I think a lady who's a nurse there. So we've got that covered. They got that covered. The guy's blocking the road there as well, so the cars go around, because they were going really close to him before, and there's nothing else we can do here, so we'll be on our way. Yeah, man, what a sad note to end it on. Because I was gonna end it right there. Yeah, bit of a sad note to end it on, but hopefully he'll do alright. He's alive. He still has his arms. If anything, it's a bit broken or fractured. Hopefully the latter. Yeah, I've been your boy Ghost. It's been a good day, apart from that end. Off Track TV, and I'm out. Love.